Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can connect to Wi-Fi on your LG smart television. So the first thing you need to do is grab your television remote, and we're just going to go ahead and press the home button. Now from here, we can use the arrow keys to come up to the top of this menu, and you'll see the settings cog icon at the top here. So just go ahead and press OK. Now you can also get to this menu by coming back over to your remote control, and you can just press the settings icon on your remote, and that will take you directly to here. So we then need to scroll down and come inside of network. And then from here, you'll have two options. We can either select wired connection or Wi-Fi connection. So if you have an Ethernet cable running from your television to your router, then go ahead and select Ethernet. But if you're using just a standard wireless connection, then go ahead and select Wi-Fi connection. At the top here, just make sure Wi-Fi connection is toggled on. And then we're going to scroll down and select our home network. For this demonstration, I'll just be connecting to my phone's hotspot. So once you've selected your network, just go ahead and enter the Wi-Fi password. And just make sure to enter the password correctly, which should be displayed on the back of your router. And then go ahead and press enter. And just like that, we're now connected to the Wi-Fi. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.